Hi friends, welcome to Vani's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you harvesting of sweet potato and growing of sweet potato also. It's very easy to grow, and if you have a backyard space, it's well and good also. Or else if you have a small container or a balcony, you can grow from that space also. And do what this video. It is completely organically grown, only with few little soil and homemade compost along with the vermicompost. So hereafter, in the forthcoming videos, I would like to show you not only cooking videos but also growing vegetables as well as flowering plants also. Please do watch the channel and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Um, so this is my sweet potato plant. Actually, I have almost left in this grow bag for 8 to 10 months, and I just show you. So it how you can check. So this is a soil. It is quite loosely packed, and can you see? Yeah, it's formed well. So normally this sweet potato you can harvest after 1.5 months of growing the plant. But this is just an experiment. Like you can grow in this size of container also. It's a grow bag. So let us see how it comes. I'm very eagerly excited to harvest this sweet potato. Come, let's begin. So you can see so big it is. Oh my goodness, just excited to harvest. Oh god, so big it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I hope I get one more. Oh god, see the size of this. Oh god, I got too big size. It's quite heavy. Definitely it could be around 3 to 4 kgs. So this is my harvest, friends. Actually I can grow them again in the same soil with little more nutrition. So I add um, homemade compost as well as vermicompost, and you leave it for another 2 months. You get the yield. So how we have to means regrow them is you just take a cutting. So this cutting will do, and you plant it. You can trim the leaves also. The stem part is made. Each and every stem, they'll give you a root. So it's very delicious health point of view, and it is very good to your health, and actually it is very tasty also. So each and every stem will give you root, single root, and it depends depending on the uh, growing medium. If your soil is too healthy, you may get yield more also. You may get yield more also. And this is organically, purely organically grown. So hope you enjoyed the video, friends. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.